balage ekifaananyi ekikyamu. So twagala byonna byonna bibagezaako okukola tubize emabega. Kye babagamba temukikola, mufube okumakinga sure nti mulabisa ffe batusibidde waka naye tebabasibye. Buli omukola ky'osobola. Buli woolaba olunaku lwaleero twadde twasazeewo okusimba bitooke mu binnya ez'empompogoma eziri mu kkubo. Mukikole buli wamu we muli, ate si wano wokka mu Kampala, wabula okwetooloola ensi yonna. Muzikube n'ebifaananyi mubiteeke ku social media. Ekyo kigenda bateeka ku pressure. Bakole kye balina okukola, tewali agenda kibakolera bannayuganda wabula mmwe kennyini. Bantu tebawuliriza bigambo wabula bawuliriza bikolwa.
Honorable President, how do you speak about the deployment of security around your gate, barring you to access town to demonstrate today?
This that the police and military have done is a sign of cowardice. They can do what they usually do, illegally blocking us and arresting us in our homes. Of course, this is illegal because if we're doing anything against the law, we would be detained. We are citizens like other people. If we are against the law, why don't they arrest us and detain us, our homes and centers? Anyway, this is a and other leaders, but there are millions of Ugandans that we've called upon to show their discontent with the terrible situation of roads. So please go ahead. The protest continues with or without we, the leaders. Don't focus. Do what you can do as a citizen. Go ahead, not only in Kampala, but all over the country, wherever there are terrible roads. Plant either banana plants in them or any other plant to show your protest against the situation of roads. Take pictures and put them all over social media. You notice that the regime is trying to spend an insane amount of money to paint a false picture. They've arrested so many of our people and detained them, especially the homeless. They've raised and closed down so many businesses. They've forbidden our people the bad roads because they're trying to feign